Everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dusty Diesel Technician, man. Back with another fun video today. I removed the frame from another mail truck. The new frame, we got it in. I had to cut out daggone motor mounts. The frame mounts. Here, there. See that? Yeah. Cut that out. Have to take the engine, transmission, exhaust, everything off and put it on this new frame out here. So the frame is waiting to come in. I just got to take everything off the old frame, put it on the new frame. It's the third Mero truck I done put a frame on this month. Number 3. So that's what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow morning. Already separated. I had to cut the frame up. You see, I had to cut the frame on this side and that side just to get the frame mounts out that once were up here. Connect it there. Crisp, baby.